Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. So I hope that you're doing something to take care of yourself today. So y'all, I have changed up a little bit going on here. So I thought it would be fun to do, it might be a little early, but I'm doing it anyway. I got this mask, the Creme Shop, from Jean Louise. Now Jean Louise has a channel, I'll put her below. She doesn't always post. She, sometimes goes into not posting for a while, but then she might do a live or something and post. So I'll put her below. You go see her if you don't know her. I'm sure y'all do. Her videos, you can go back and watch her videos. She's just got the best spirit and the best laugh. And she's just a lot of fun. And Amanda is usually with her. She sent me this mask. And let's put it on, then I'll tell you about it. I have done this mask before. With the Creme Shop, they open at the bottom. I've done this mask before. It's very nice. It says Printed Essence Sheet Mask. And it does not have a scent, which I think is good. I mean, maybe a little bit of a scent wouldn't bother your skin or your face, but it doesn't have a scent. So let's see, it's cute. It is decorated, so I'm just getting into the fall way of things, even though it's still hot here. It's not horrible hot. The horrible heat is gone. But I know that some areas are still having horrible heat. So I hope you all are okay wherever you are. And see how cute this is? There's like a puppuccino. Cute stuff like that. So let me put it on, get it all settled, and I'll tell you about it. And I have a little friend mail, and I have a couple things to talk about, not very much. The Creme Shop masks are very, very nice. I like the way that they usually fit just fine under the nose. Some masks, really irritate. They're just weird bands and they don't fit. And so let me find my roller. I have several rollers, and sometimes they're moved, by cats. But how cute is this, y'all? It's got the fall flare going on. So it might be just a little bit early, but like right now, beginning of September, what isn't it, like harvest time, end of August, beginning of September, so I'm okay. And I did change out things because I was getting bored with the other. And yeah, so this is, the Creme Shop masks are just always so refreshing. It feels really good. And okay, let me tell you about it. It says PSL, Printed Essence Sheet Mask. So isn't PSL like pumpkin spice latte, right, or something like that? So it's a limited edition mask, and it has pumpkin seed oil for firming, squalane for moisturizing, and lactic acid for youth promoting. So when I take this off, I'm going to be a child, which sounds good to me. And this says Bear, and there's a little paw print like they signed it, and they're having a latte puppuccino. How cute is that? And on the back it says, for youthful, glowing, beautiful skin, treat your skin to a spooktacular blend of smoothing pumpkin seed oil, ultra moisturizing squalane, and youth promoting lactic acid. And then it says the same, here, pumpkin seed oil is rich in vitamin E and zinc to help tone, smooth, and fight acne. Didn't know it had vitamin E and zinc in it. I don't have acne, but I actually have a couple of pimples right here, and I don't know where that came from. Just, it happens. Squalane aids in intense hydration to plump and reduce appearance of fine lines, and lactic acid helps gently exfoliate, maintaining firm skin and to promote a youthful glow. So it says, slight tingling is normal. Discontinue use if strong tingling occurs. I'm not feeling any tingling. Our masks are gentle and may be used every day. For a cooling effect, store in the refrigerator. It says place the mask on clean and dry skin and clean, dry face, it says. Enjoy for 10 to 15 minutes of me time. That's what we're trying to do with Mask Monday, is enjoy some me time. Check out your new glow. No need to rinse or dry. That's when you're done. Proceed with your skin regimen. Okay, that's all it says. I don't feel any tingling at all, so that's fine with me. If I did, that happened to me one time when I was doing a Mask Monday, and I had to get it off, and yeah. So anyway, this is not bothering me at all. Since we're talking about Jean Louise, I'll also talk about Laura the Bargain Hunter. Laura the Bargain Hunter on Saturday had a video. I'll put it below, and I'll put Laura below. If you don't know her, please go see her. She got some things from Marshall's. Now, Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods are all owned by the same company. I have a TJ Maxx here, which I love. But that's all we have. We don't have Marshall's. We don't have Home Goods. And those kinds of things are maybe, I think, well, I don't even think I don't know. I think maybe Birmingham has those, probably, but I don't know, because I never go to Birmingham, hardly ever. Anyway, Laura got some holiday hand soap, and I'm like, well, hey, I need to get mine out, because Jean Louise has sent me in the past couple of years different holiday soaps for the bathroom and the kitchen. And I have some left over from last year, so I'm going to put them out. So I got them out and cleaned them up. Look at how cute this is. Now, this was in a sweater, if you will. It was a knitted orange on it. That's all I really remember about it. Maybe it had like a green leaf or something. I don't remember, trim or something. But that got sort of gunky, so I pulled that off. It was just glued in one spot. So I'll just turn that to the back, and then this is going to go in my kitchen. So there's a lot of soap still left in here. I think because I already had another one from her from the year previous that I finished up first, and then this one. So, you know, I can leave this out through Thanksgiving, and I think it smells spicy. It does. It smells lovely, spicy, like cinnamony. So I'm putting that at my kitchen sink. Isn't that cute, y'all? And then she also sent me this one, and I don't know how long I've had this one, if she sent it last year or if she sent it the year before, but there's soap in here also, but there may be some, I may have refilled it, I don't remember, but how cute is that? So I put this one in my bathroom. So let me see what I've got in there. Let's see. That one smells just sweet. So it's possible that whatever I had in here I used up, and then I put some other in here, which could have been something from TJ Maxx or something from Bath & Body Works is what I would have put in here. But isn't he cute? Little black cat. I know he's got a lot of glare on him from the ring light, but super cute all the way around. So those will be going out for my decorations. And then I have some friend mail. So I got a card from Miss Sally Cookie, and Miss Sally Cookie is Peach Rose. I had to think about that for a second, because whenever I see her name, I just call her Sally, because I've known her for a very long time. But she is Peach Rose. Oh, this mask feels so good. So she sent me a card, so let's open it up. I did cut it open to get it started. I usually do that. It has a pretty stamp on there. Let me show you the stamp. It is a forever stamp. It is stamped over, but it's so pretty, y'all. Can you see that? The pretty flowers, forever stamp, really pretty. So in there, oh, it's a thank you card. Well, thank you for the thank you card, Sally. Oh, and there's some cute stickers in there. Hi, Mary, thank you for my goodies. I love the bling bling, from Sally. Sally's so good. She just won something from me, and she just got it. So she just got it. Like, how did I get the card from you so fast, Sally? She's really good about sending out her thank you cards. Thank you. Thank you, Sally. You did not have to send me a thank you card, but I thank you for the thank you card. Sally won my, she won the diamond necklace from Paparazzi Jewelry. So, and then she sent me these super cute, look at how cute these are, stickers. They are s'mores. The makings of s'mores. Those are so cute, Sally. I love them. Thank you so much. Y'all are so funny and good to me. I just love that. Cute little s'mores. Thank you, Sally. And that card is really pretty. I love that card. Really pretty. Very fancy. Sally sent me a fancy card. So y'all, that's really all I have for you today. I just, oh, I did want to tell you really quick. I had a Temu haul last week, and then I talked about it on my Friday Night Gab. I have a pillow that is memory foam that feels really squishy, but when you lay on it, it was like a brick. I did decide to just, because I just put it on the bed and I laid on it. I'm like, oh, this is awful. So you know what I did? On Friday, after I filmed, I slept with that pillow, and it was wonderful for my neck. Once you lay there and your head gets in there, it fits your head, it fits your neck and head very nicely. And then when you turn to your side, it holds your head up instead of your head being this way. It holds it so that your spine is aligned. Now, when I tell you all that, I'm not a doctor at all. I've worked for a chiropractor, and the chiropractor recommended me orthopedic pillows years ago. And a lot of them, I didn't bring it here to show you, but it has this big hump and then a little hump. And when you start using those kind of pillows, you're supposed to start with a little hump first. And then after months of doing that, then you turn to the bigger hump, because otherwise it's just too much for you to take, and you'll be achy and sore. So do not do, I'm not telling you to do it, is what I'm saying. If you are interested in that pillow and you want the link, just tell me. They have a million of them on Temu, all different kinds, all different pricing, all different sizes. If it's something that you're interested in, but if you are concerned at all, talk to your doctor about it first. Or if you see a chiropractor, talk to them about it first, okay? And with that note, here's Blue. Blue, you want to say hey? No, he just wants to put his bottom in your face. I'm sorry, y'all. Why do they do that? It's because they love you, isn't that what they say? Oh yeah, show me your butt. Hey, Blue, show them your beautiful face. Show them your beautiful face. He doesn't want to. No. Blue, no. Oh, he won't do it. Okay, he wants to lay on the towel. I have a towel here, and he always wants to be on something. A blanket, a pillow, a towel. Okay, anyway, y'all, look at how big he is. You know, Camille's going to be this big someday soon. Okay, y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. I hope that you do something to take care of yourself. If not today, pick one day out of the week to do it regularly. If it's Wednesday night, if it's Thursday night, if it's Saturday night, just one night a week that you do something nice for yourself. If you can, do it more. You know, if you can do a mask every night, wouldn't that be nice? For your skin will be happy too. I'll tell you that about me. I've always masked for many years, but not as regularly as I do since my channel, and my skin is happy for it. So just remember that, no matter how old you are. If you're older, if you're younger, it's good for your skin. So thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.